How to get a high score in Blockbust. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get a higher score in Blockbust with a few simple steps. So let's get started. On the first one, you'll have to focus on clearing multiple lines at once.
Great.
Always aim for combination that remove both vertical and horizontal rows. They can give you more points.
Great.
And on the second one, keep the board open, like try not to leave isolated blocks in the center. Keep your edges so clean so that larger pieces can fit easily.
Excellent.
And on the third one, you'll have to think before you placing. As you know, there are no time limit. Take a second to plan the best fit for all blocks before placing them in first one. At last, don't rush power moves, like you have to just saving the space for a multi-block clear scan leads to combos that boost your score fast. And that's it. Stay focused and make it simple. You will definitely get high score easily with following this step. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.